Making a turkey curry and rice meal is a fantastic, often quick, way to use up leftover cooked turkey, but you can also use raw turkey breast or ground turkey. Here is a general, easy recipe outline for a delicious coconut milk-based turkey curry to serve over rice. Easy turkey curry and rice ingredients for the curry. 1 tbsp oil, vegetable olive or coconut. 1 large onion, chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced or 1 tsp garlic paste. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated or 1 tsp ginger paste. 1-2 tbsp curry powder, mild, medium, or hot, or curry paste. 1x14 Oz, 400 gram, can chopped tomatoes, or passata. 1x 13.5 Oz, 400 milliliter, can coconut milk, full fat or light. 1 cup, about 8 Oz chicken or vegetable stock. 2 to 3 cups cooked turkey, diced or shredded, if starting with raw, see note below. 1 cup mixed vegetables, e.g. sliced peppers, mushrooms, frozen peas, spinach. 1 tbsp mango chutney, optional for sweetness. Salt and pepper to taste, fresh coriander, cilantro, chopped, for garnish. Ingredients for the rice. 1 cup long grain rice, like basmati or jasmine. 2 cups water, or use the ratio specified on your rice package. A pinch of salt. Instructions 1. Cook the rice. Rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Combine the rice, water, and salt in a saucepan. Bring to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the pan tightly, and simmer for about 10-15 minutes, or until all the water is absorbed. Remove from heat and let it stand, covered, for 5 to 10 minutes. Fluff with a fork before serving. 2. Start the curry base. Heat the oil in a large pan or pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook until softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger, or pastes. Cook for 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in the curry powder or paste. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly to toast the spices. 3. Simmer the sauce. Pour in the chopped tomatoes, coconut milk, and stock. Stir well to combine. If using firmer vegetables, like carrots or broccoli, add them now. Bring the mixture to a simmer, then reduce the heat and let it gently bubble, uncovered, for about 10-15 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken slightly. 4. Add turkey and finish. Stir in the cooked turkey and any softer vegetables, like mushrooms or frozen peas, spinach. Add the mango chutney, if using. Simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes, or until the turkey is piping hot all the way through and any added vegetables are tender. Taste and season with salt and pepper as needed. 5. Serve. Spoon the hot, fluffy rice into bowls. Top generously with the turkey curry. Garnish with fresh chopped coriander. Settings. Add any subtitle.